Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has lost 2.8% in the last three sessions. The ROC transitioned sharply into the negative area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 1.1% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the neutral area. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 2.1% in the last two sessions. The CCI is strengthening and is now giving a negative signal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Intel's plan to spend billions of dollars on new factories and create a foundry business that will make chips for other companies sent shares of competitors TSMC and Samsung lower. Boris Johnson's roadmap for exiting lockdown has kick-started a mini economic boom as businesses hire staff and order stock ahead of reopening. Global equities dipped and the dollar hovered near four-month highs as concerns about extended economic lockdowns in Europe and the potential for higher taxes in the United States weighed on investor sentiment.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's GfK consumer confidence survey at 700 GMT. The French business climate and manufacturing will be released at 7:45 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2350 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.